Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to manage YouTube subscriptions on Android. So you have to go to YouTube, of course, and once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the subscription section on the lower right, and here you will find the option of the subscriptions. You can go to the all, and here you will find all the subscriptions to your account. Tap on the three dots on the top right. You can also edit them from here. If you want, you can personalize it. Our notifications, you can turn it on, or you can turn off the notification, or you can also unsubscribe. So yeah, this is how easy it is to manage your YouTube subscriptions on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.